Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am currently at the tiny Mindaribba station on the Dungog branch of the Hunter line. And by tiny, I mean tiny. The station's only a couple of metres in length. Not much can fit on the station. It's just a station seat, oval reader and emergency help point. We have a northbound freight train about to pass us with an R class leading. That was MB4. The next train that will pass us is NT35, the Grafton XPT. And here we have the Grafton XPT. XP 2008 leading and XP 2013 trailing. XP 2013 has the Starlight Express livery. Anyway guys, that's about all I can get here at the moment. There won't be another train for a little while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move up to one of the other stations on the Dungog branch, towards Dungog. So yeah, that'll be uploaded after this one. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, much appreciated. Bye for now.